Properties of concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid shows three main properties: oxidizing property, dehydrating property, and a non-volatile acid. We will discuss these properties one by one. First is its oxidizing property. Concentrated sulfuric acid decomposes to form water, sulfur dioxide, and nascent oxygen is liberated. This nascent oxygen is responsible for its oxidizing property. It can oxidize metals as well as non-metals. Metals are oxidized to their sulfates along with water and sulfur dioxide. Water and sulfur dioxide are present in the parent reaction also, so they will always be present as products. So copper, when it reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, forms its sulfate, copper sulfate, water and sulfur dioxide. Similarly, zinc, on reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid, forms zinc sulfate, water and sulfur dioxide. Non-metals are oxidized to their respective oxides, like carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide along with water and sulfur dioxide. Similarly, sulfur on reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid forms sulfur dioxide and water. Second property is dehydrating property. Dehydration means removal of water. Sulfuric acid can remove water from hydrated salts as well as organic compounds. Hydrated salts means salts which contain water of crystallization. Concentrated sulfuric acid removes these water of crystallization and the salt becomes anhydrous. For example, when blue colored copper sulfate CuSO4.5H2O is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, it turns white colored anhydrous copper sulfate plus H2SO4.H2O. All water molecules are absorbed by concentrated sulfuric acid. Similarly, Na2CO3.10H2O. When it reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, all its water molecules are absorbed by sulfuric acid and it becomes anhydrous, Na2CO3 plus 10H2SO4.H2O, because here 10 water molecules are present. It can dehydrate organic compounds also. Those organic compounds which contain hydrogen and oxygen, they can be dehydrated by the removal of water. Like glucose is white colored crystalline solid C6H12O6. When it reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, it turns black because all hydrogen and oxygen are removed in the form of water and only carbon is left, which is black colored. Similarly, formic acid HCOOH on reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid removes water molecule and carbon monoxide is left behind. So in this way, it can dehydrate organic compounds also. Third property of concentrated sulfuric acid is non-volatile acid. Its boiling point is 338 degrees Celsius. It means it is non-volatile. So it is used for the preparation of volatile acids. When we have to prepare volatile acid, any salt of that volatile acid is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid to form respective acid. For example, sodium chloride on heating with concentrated sulfuric acid below 200 degrees Celsius forms sodium bisulfate and HCl. Similarly, for nitric acid, we will take a nitrate. Sodium nitrate on heating with concentrated sulfuric acid forms sodium bisulfate and nitric acid.